Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to encrypt and decrypt PDF using Java code. During the operation, we will use the Spire.PDF for Java library. This video is divided into the following three parts: function introduction, encrypting PDF and decrypting PDF. First of all, let's talk about the function introduction. When working with PDF files, encryption and decryption are critical to ensuring the security of sensitive information while maintaining the flexibility and convenience of files. By setting a password for a PDF, we can control access to the file and prevent unauthorized viewing, editing, or copying. Conversely, decrypting a PDF can make the document accessible or editable again. Here is a list of supported encryption algorithms. Spire.PDF primarily supports these four encryption algorithms. In addition, as shown in the figure, these are the supported document restriction types. For example, the first one restricts whether printing is allowed. In the sample code for encrypting PDF, we first create a PDF document object to load a PDF file, then create a security policy and set the encryption algorithm. The document permissions are set to allow printing and copying of the content. Finally, apply the security policy. Please note that the security policy constructor includes an open password and a permission password. Next, I will show you how to encrypt PDF in IDEA. I have prepared a sample PDF in advance. Open it to check its properties. We will see that it has no restrictions now. Here we call the load from file method to load this file. Then create a security policy. We set the open password to 123. And the permission password to E-iceblue. Next, set the encryption algorithm. Here we do not encrypt the metadata by setting the parameter to false. When setting permissions, we first get the document privilege object and allow printing of documents by setting the parameter to true. Apply the security policy to the PDF. Finally, save the result file and free the resources. Run this code. After successful execution, click on the encrypted file. We can open it by entering the password. If we check the properties of the document, we can see that it has been successfully set to allow printing. Other restrictions are not allowed by default. If we want to change them, we have to enter the permission password. The above are the main steps to encrypt PDF with Spire.PDF for Java. So, how to decrypt PDF? Here is a sample code. First, create a PDF document object to load the file you want to decrypt. When loading, remember to pass the permission password. If you haven't set the permission password, enter the open password to it. Then call the decrypt method to decrypt it. Finally, save the results. Similarly, I will demonstrate the process in IDEA. Here I use the file I just encrypted as the input file. Pass its permission password when loading it. Then call the decrypt method to decrypt it. Finally, save the result file and free the resources. Run this code. After successful execution, click on the decrypted file. If we check its properties, we can see that the permission and open passwords have been removed. That's all for this video. Please feel free to contact us if you have any question about it. Thank you for watching.